kublai pi paro at nga pediang sumpai pi syakane ke YouTube channel jonga Aloysius Papang. Kari Amerika kan sa Thaw biang sakaway ke history ke Thymmai hakaliang ke sansyar khadar. Alikin paralong inyapet bat sngap ya kini ke video nerok basdang Haduh Bakut ban tip ya kata bat kenmau perlok wat klet ban like share comment bat subscribe ro ya kini ke YouTube channel jonga nak benta ki pat ki video. Wada pedeng ki telik ding ki barhem ki babam singem ya ka wei ke nongba ka bapaunam jong kari Amerika ke Los Angeles bat ki wei ki benta jong ka state California la arte yo duna menta ya ka babaro ngila yo ban sakhi ne ki durki bala pathai lengba kilat pathai kubor ba pher jong ki ri ka pathai halor ka jing penjulor jong ka ding ya ki pheu hajar ekar ki jaka puta ka jing do no da ki hajar ki long yela ki jongki yeng ki sem ki jingdan jing em ki ba remdor bat ki ba kodor jongki ba ki langut ki briu ki lahap ban Khyndiat no shakiwei pat ki jaka ki ba long shngan hoi donro na pedeng ki nong shong shnong ki ba ja rangai ba ki phongut ki la khla no na kani ka jing ploding ba shakai ka ba dangne Haduh menta hakikat to kat ni ki jaka ba kading kadang po Thymmai ba ka jingele ban tem ya kading kadang yat shakman la kadai harengkau ni hasunro ka Amerika kum kata kari ka baklan bor bat kari ka baru spa tam ha ka pertai lese kala bandu nong de ki spa $1 billion na kani ka cing dia ploding ka bala penye kendo mau siang ya ka sokar Amerika ban kelepat ya ka yok ka kot ka kamai ka kaji bat ban Thaw Thymmai biang sachisen ya ka nongba Los Angeles bat kiwei ki benta jong ka state California hakawei pat ka benta kalong le si ka kubor ka basngaw tenan bakari Amerika satang Khyndiat Sngi kan sa yopat ya unong sansyar Thymmai jongka wala daki telik ding kidang klang hakikat tu ka di ki benta jong kari US hapdeng ka jing yam brew ka jing sya tenjo bat mat jing basakai kari Amerika hakidi ki Sngi na ka daw jong ka jing dia ploding bat ki wi pat ki jing dia Henry ka jing pankre ya ka Sngi ka bakraw ka ban sa Thaw pat sakaway ka history ka Thymmai hakari ka bayadai bat ka jing pankre ya ka presidential inaugural ceremony ka Sngi ban bam smai jong u president elect Thymmai jong kari Amerika u Donald Trump kum u president basa phoneu jong kari bat ka jing bam smai rangkat jong u vice president elect u JD Vance ya ka bala pentikna da ka joint congressional committee on inaugural ceremony ka banlong ha US Capitol ha Capitol Hill ka Washington DC ha ka arphotrik ukalalang kot arjar arphosan kani ka Sngi ka itang khoro bat ka Sngi kan mauburam ya u Martin Luther King Jr. bat kandeiro ka Sngi shuti habaro kawai kari ya ka lama jong kari on sa penher full mass hakadi ka Sngi bakraw hadin ka jing penher tang shiteng kum kadang ban penpau ya ka jing slusi halor ka jing khla no badang shen jong u president barim Amerika u Jimmy Carter ya kani ka presidential inaugural ceremony on sedang hakapor khat arbaje no phai Sngi kat kum ka eastern time bat shipo shiteng minmit kat kum ka Indian standard time ki program hakadi ka Sngi ki kentop ya ka jing penlong shwa ya ka jing seng hakapor men step St. John Church Lafayette Park penbot pat sa ka jing di sha sngaw ba ha White House nangta on boat pat sa ka benta ka bakongsan jong ka Sngi kata ka swearing in ceremony bat ka presidential inaugural address da u president Thymmai uban sa penbenapat ba ro halor ki matrikam ki ba khamat jong ka soka jong u haki south nem ki badangwan nangta on penbot sa ka signing ceremony ni kata ka jing soy ya ki kot ki sla ki badankam ha president's room nangta kan donro ka jing ya pam lunch ni kata ki inaugural launch on ka ban sa host da ka joint congressional committee bat kan don pat sa ka review of the troops penbot pat sa ka presidential parade ka ban sedang na Capitol building Terter Pennsylvania Avenue bat shadow White House hakaba u President Thymmai unsa shimti ya kashuki President Jong-un hakapor jan mit pat u President Thymmai u Donald Trump unsa shim benta biang hakilai klik inaugural balls berkentup ya ke commander in chief balls ke liberty inaugural balls bat ke starlight balls bat la kami enti ba president Thymmai unsa ai jingkran habrot lai kliki balls ki kenrem ki lendan bat ki kle nong sanchar jong kiri ke pathai la ki dai kiri ki bayalong perlong ni ki bay shon bat re America ki ba sha khot sngo bha kerpang ban ya don lang hakani ka presidential inaugural ceremony jong ka USA ki kenthop ya ka prime minister jong ka Italy ka Giorgia Meloni u president jong ka Argentina u Javier Milei u president ka El Salvador u Nayib Bukele u prime minister ka Hungary u Viktor Orban u president jong ka Brazil u Jair Bolsonaro o president ka China o Xi Jinping henry kat kum kitalong kubor le sngutho ba o Xi Jinping o namla ban wan dalade henry ula ban pha ban mikmat pat da o vice president ka China o Han Zheng ne o foreign minister jong ka o Wang Yi ya ka India pat on sa mikmat da o external affair minister o S.J. Shankar but ya kari Japan pat da u foreign minister u Takashi Iwaya ki wei pat ki rusan pathai ki bala shakhot sngoba ki kanthop ya u Eric Sammer jongkari France but u Nigel Farage jongkari UK but ki wei ki telong khobor ki thoro ba ki hespa jongki tech company ki bapao jong kiri ke pathai ki banya don lang hakani ka sngi ki kanthop ya u Elon Musk u CEO ke Tesla but SpaceX u Mark Zuckerberg u CEO ke Meta u Sam Altman u CEO ke OpenAI u Dara Khosrowshahi u CEO ke Uber but ki waipat kitolong khobor ki thoro ba u Joe Biden u president bamanta jong kari America ro unsa attend ya ka swearing in ceremony jong u Donald Trump wala da u Donald Trump u claim attend ya ka swearing in ceremony jong u Joe Biden min ha usnem arhajar arphwei nangta ka Kamala Harris ka vice president bamanta jong kari US ro kan se don lang hakni ka sngi na lor kini ki wei pat ki president barim jong kari America ki banya don rengkat hak ri kasngi swearing in ceremony jong u Donald Trump ki kanthop ya u Barack Obama u George W Bush u Bill Clinton nangta rengkat bat ka first lady barim ka US ka Laura Bush bat ka Secretary of State barim ka US ka Hillary Clinton ki nong pen bernya ni ki performers ki banya shimbenta hakaban penpho penphing ya ka dikasngi ki kanthop ya ka nong wai country bat ka nong job barim jong ka American Idol ka Carrie Underwood so way pat u nong wai country bapao u Lee Greenwood u nong wai opera u Christopher Macho ka American Disco Group ka Village People u Kid Rock, Billy Ray Cyrus, Jason Aldean, bat ka Rascal Flats, bat ki wei de. Kitlong kubor ki yato bu President-elect Donald Trump, ula bon kam bha, nado bu ula job ya ka US presidential election arhajar arposaw, ha upnay, naiwing, jong ka snem kabaladep, ha ka jingedey bat ki kam, bat jing penkre, ban jet, ban Thaw, ya ka kunhun cabinet bat Thymmai, new cabinet nominees ki ban kli, ya kitnat sorkar baper, lani kata ka US heads of government ki ban sa shimti ya kitna trekam baper ya ki ba on sabati shen hadin ka ting shimti u president ya ka shuki hakaskin nangkong ki lat pathai khobor ki yatho ba marsin shimti ya ka kam president u Donald Trump kum u president ba South Korea jong kari America ka kam ka ba hakmat ba ka sarkar jong u kan le kan dei ka jing pengat khajna shwa ya ki lai tli ki ri ba kanthop ya ka Canada ka ri Mexico ki artli ki ri ki bal a jingiram ya ka America hakani ka jingja ploding bamenta nang tapat ya ka ri China ka ri ka bal kiu bhasha prang hakiba bon ki liang bat ka ri ba ka America ka shapteng bhamanta kanthop sakiwai pat ki kam bayadei bat ki ri ka parthai Kermens kem bahakani kalen kekanti bat kasen ka baar jong ka jing sanshar u Donald Trump kum u president kari Amerika kan wanra yashibon ki jingkala hakar kom sanshar ki babha ki ba mentoy omtang ya kari la jong Henry khamtam haka jingedei jong kari Amerika bat ki wei pat ki ri jong ka pathai bat net scam ro ba kari Amerika kan sakhe rasong biang hak jeng sensyar betip briu tip blai kumbel rwai de ukon jong u Donald Trump u Baron Trump hak jeng rwai ka basngu tenat bat ka bakit jeng mut syapang keri Amerika ka bula ai keteng God will make America great again u blai un sepelong biang ya keri Amerika keri ka bakraw sechisen
It's our faith that builds this nation. Hope and love are everywhere. God will make America great again. When we stand in faith, united as one band. Through devotion we will rise with His truth to guide. God will make America great again. With our trust in Him unshaken, every heart will overcome. In the power of our worship, every battle will be won. Let us march with faith together, side by side in harmony. For His love will be our banner, shining bright for all to see. God will make America great again. We stand in faith, united as one man. Through devotion we will rise with His truth to guide. God will make America great again. Through the power of our faith, we'll build a brighter day. Every heart renewed, we'll find a better way. Hand in hand we'll move forward, His purpose to fulfill. With devotion in our hearts, in His everlasting will. God will make America great again. We stand in faith, united as one man. Through devotion we will rise with His truth to guide. God will make America great again. Oh, the faith within our hearts will light the way, and His love will lead us to a brighter day. United we will stand in His holy plan. God will make America great again.
Paralog bless you bon yakapor chong piece no ba what glad ban like share comments but kum joro ban subscribe ya kadik YouTube channel jonga nakamanta QA part ki video